kvCORE Peer Coaching is finally here, and I want to share with you what this means for you. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate marketer, real estate agent, and also a kvCORE Peer Coach with Inside Real Estate. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell for more updates on content like this. And in a moment, I'm going to share my screen and kind of walk you through what this peer coaching means for you and how you can book a free consultation to find out how we can help you achieve your real estate business goals. On this channel, I talk about everything. I help realtors grow and scale their business through marketing consultation, lead generation, training, as well as kvCORE coaching, systems, process, name it. I talk about it here. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. I'm going to share my screen right now and kind of walk you through this. So you can go to insiderealestate.com peer coaching and get to this landing page. And as you can see here, there's some information here for you to fill out and opt in for free consultations where you'll meet with somebody at Inside Real Estate, and then they'll pair you up with a coach. And obviously, I'm one of their certified peer coaches, and you can obviously ask to work with me, or you can work with anyone else on their team as well. And in a moment, in a couple of weeks, I'm going to have Susie Savage, who is the lead when it comes to the peer coaching program at Inside Real Estate, and they do everything from Boomtown to BT Pro to kvCORE. So I'm going to bring her on to my channel. I'm going to ask her some key questions. So if you want a little bit more information, stay tuned for that. So make sure you hit that notification bell to get updates on more content about everything that's coming to my channel. So kvCORE Peer Coaching, it is a one-on-one guidance. This is where, with very similar to any coachings that you've been a part of, we're here to help you understand your business and professional goal. We're here to help you, guide you to achieving those goals. And we're going to share with you trainings, key tools, and really figuring out, putting together the right systems for you to achieving those goals. And we're here as a guidance to getting you there. And it's really about helping you optimize the tools that are right in front of you. So whether you have access to Boomtown or kvCORE, we're here to help you with that. And it's to help you not to just be, just leveraging these tools from a technical perspective. We're here to give you strategies, marketing strategies, what emails are better for what circumstances, why choosing the right target audience is the right thing, and kind of maybe auditing your websites and tools that you're currently using. And even if you have kvCORE, you're using it as a task management, I've noticed that a lot of agents aren't leveraging it enough, or they're not leveraging it correctly. So we're here to guide you in that path to making sure that you're not only onboarding your team correctly, training your staff or your VAs and assistants who are inside kvCORE. It's really about boosting your accountability and your profitability of leveraging these tools. So first and foremost, if you're interested in this, I highly recommend you click here for a free coaching consultation. We'll figure out what is it, the type of help that you need. And this is an ongoing relationship. Maybe we do this for 3 months, 6 months, maybe a year, and we can meet twice a month. Maybe we can meet once a month. It's really to help you understand what is the right help that you need. And here are some of the coaches. As you can see, you can click on to learn more. And if you click on to learn more about me, as you know, being in this channel, if this is your first time getting to know me, I wanted to give you a little bit of a background. I am a marketer that turned realtor. I worked in marketing for over a decade. I primarily worked for the government and not-for-profits and some private brands giving marketing consultation services. I used to write marketing strategic plans, hundreds of them over a span of a year. And I would also give audits and write email marketing. And I would also oversee over 11 to 12 plus social media accounts, which is why I co-founded a social media content platform called Karubi Social, just specifically for a real estate professional. And I have a background in marketing, and that's what I used to do. And I currently also co-founded a company called Mift Media, and it's a full service real estate marketing agency. And I also come with my 4+ experience, 4.5 now as a real estate investor, and all of my own working as a real estate investor, as a real estate agent, and some of my own strategies of how I build trainings and programs and strategies that I've applied to my own business. You get to learn from me. And as you can see on this YouTube channel, I not only share about kvCORE, I talk about not just systems and process, but we talk about lead generation, we talk about videos, and we talk about marketing in terms of branding, social media, name it. We talk about it on this channel because of my experience as a marketing consultant for all these years. And I'm really about leveraging technology, about leveraging AI. And that's why when I learned about kvCORE platform, and I worked with major CRMs in the past before, like SAP, Salesforce, HubSpot, name it, I've used it. So when I learned about a platform like kvCORE, which is a all encompassing, all in one platform, I'm a big champion of it. And I'm here to help as many agents as possible. And I'm really trying to destroy the whole concept of people having to set up their kvCORE. It's really redefining that setup and having to activate it, use it, and having you using it as a daily tool, because there's nothing to set up. You just go in updating the kvCORE to make sense for you and your business. And anytime people sit in front of me and ask me they're struggling with this aspect of kvCORE, that aspect of kvCORE, it's really me about understanding what your business is, so that we're leveraging your business goals and leveraging the tools, understanding your business goals, and leveraging the kvCORE tools and features that are available, and bringing them together and marrying the two, because there's hundreds of different ways you can leverage kvCORE. But I'm here to give you my tools to help you really leverage that and become a full potential that we can achieve when it comes to your success. And really, one of my, and for those of you that worked with me, I'm really, it's much deeper than that. It's really personal development. We get into mindset, we get into really understanding and unpacking our attachment to technology and our relationship to technology, and then really giving you that strategy to to really better take advantage of tools like kvCORE through deep strategies that, again, that are aligned with your business goals. And that's what I'm all about. And if you're confused about what all any of that means, a great time is to go into this link. I'll put it in the description as well, insiderealestate.com/peer coaching, and fill out this form and meet with a rep, and they'll put you in touch with me or anyone that they feel is the right for you, depending on what program that you're looking for. Once again, stay tuned. I'm going to bring on Susie Savage, who's the program lead. I'm going to really unpack this program a lot more and how we help people. And again, when you sit with us, we're not just sharing a screen and teaching you how to do a landing page. Remember, it's so much deeper than that. It's about really guiding you for long-term success and giving you access to some of our own quick guides and tools and one-pagers and workflows and so much more. So once again, this is a great time to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to meeting with you and helping you achieve your real estate goal. See you in the next video.